Here is a Novostella light bulb you might consider buying. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Here's the smart bulb. It should fit any standard socket. It comes with a very detailed manual. By the way, if you scan the QR code on this card, you will get an extra 6 months of warranty coverage. It is compatible with Apple or Android devices. Here are the specs, if you wanna take a look. It works with Alexa, or Google Assistant. It only uses 13 watts. You can pair it with the Smart Life app. You can also control the light using your Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant, if you have any of those. Once you have screwed in the bulb and installed the app, you can start pairing them. The blinking light means that the smart bulb is ready to be added. Once connected, you can start controlling the light and changing the settings through your mobile device. For the purposes of this video, I installed it in this light fixture, so that you can clearly see the colors. You can use preset scenes, or you can manually choose the color you want for the light. Once paired and connected, you can also manually use your light switch on the wall. It will remember the last setting on the app. To get your own, just follow the link on the description.